What are the requirements to reopen my closed BDO account?
Hello. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic for those who have previously held an account with Banco de Oro, BDO, how to reopen your closed BDO account. This could be particularly useful if you've had your account closed due to inactivity or insufficient balance, but now wish to reactivate it.
Why was your BDO account closed?
Understanding the reasons why your BDO account was closed is key. Usually, BDO closes accounts due to inactivity, if you haven't made any transaction for a long period, or due to insufficient balance, if your account balance falls below the required maintaining balance for 2 consecutive months.
Can you reopen a closed BDO account?
The next big question is reopening possible? Technically, you cannot reopen a closed BDO account. Once the account is closed, the account number associated with it is no longer valid. However, you can certainly open a new account with BDO, which is pretty much like reopening your closed account.
What are the requirements for opening a new BDO account?
To open a new BDO account, you need to fulfill certain requirements. 1. 2. Valid ID cards. BDO will ask for 2 valid IDs for identification. These could be your passport, driver's license, Professional Regulation Commission, PRC, ID, postal ID, etc. 2. 1x1 ID picture. A recent photograph is also required. 3. Initial deposit. BDO requires an initial deposit to open the account. The amount varies depending on the type of account you want to open. 4. Personal appearance. You need to physically go to a BDO branch for the application. This is for them to capture your signature and other necessary information. So there you have it. While it's not possible to technically reopen your closed BDO account, you can always open a new one. All you need are 2 valid IDs, a recent photograph, an initial deposit, and a visit to your nearest BDO branch. We hope this information helps you navigate your banking needs with BDO. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your banking endeavors.